Hello friends, today we will take a look at how to get started up with Cafe and all the initial setups like subscription, super admin account, staff accounts and their dedicated roles. In addition to that, we will also take a look at how to set up tables, menus, bills and printers for our restaurant. After launching the Cafe app, we will be greeted with a pop-up asking for a subscription key which will be provided by the Cafe's admin staff. Next, let's create our super admin account by filling in our basic information. Note that the username section is case sensitive. We will now take a look at the account settings. Let's click on the downward facing arrow at the top right corner and select the account settings option. Here we can change our basic information as well as our account's password, some accessibility settings like font size, preferred date format, etc. Let's add 2 more users to our system which will be connected over a local area network. More on that in later videos. First, let's begin with creating a kitchen staff account, which will be the access for our kitchen display system. Followed by a reception staff account, where you can have your staff take in reservations and manage long queues in rush hours. We can also add a few more accounts such as managers, another super admin or other operations staff. We can also choose which screens will be visible for the particular role by accessing the restrictive access tab. Now let's proceed to set up our dine-in section floor plan. We are going to go to the settings option located at the bottom of the hamburger menu. Click on floor plan edit, then click on add room or area button to add desired area and number of tables that area will hold. Let's add another one. Further down, we can set up our printers used for kitchen order tickets and our bill prints. We do need to activate the KOT printer as it is not active by default, and click submit after making any changes to these fields. Cafe team will help you set up your Google reviews through a specific ID which will show you latest Google reviews posted by our customers. Next, we will learn to set up the bill format. Here we can add our GST details like the GST number and set SGST and CGST values and add service charge if applicable to our restaurant. We will also set name and address of our restaurant and can add 2 footnotes that will be displayed on the bottom of our printed bills. Next, let's look at how to set up our menu section. First, we need to add categories under which we will add our menu's individual items. We can set a particular category to be veg or non-veg. Let's add a couple more. If we do not like how the category name turned out or have a typo, we can edit it or delete it entirely. We can also change their sequence by clicking on the arrow keys provided on the side. Let's move on to adding a few items to our menu. During the initial setup, cafe staff will help you set up the menu applicable for your restaurant. You may later add, delete, or edit these items according to your liking. For example, pricing, shortcodes, etc. This brings us to the end of the initial setup video. In the next video, we will figure out how to work our way through Café's point of sale section and how to navigate through and understand the report section. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below.